Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com with our reveal and inspiration for our limited edition Christmas 2019 card kit. And this one's called The Magic of Christmas. This kit is packed full of beautiful vintage type items, and I'm going to start you off with a 6x8 stamp set, and this is called The Magic of Christmas. They are finely illustrated stamps with flowers and traditional greeneries for Christmas and some beautiful messages. The papers for this kit are from LDRS Creations, and this is called the Christmas Cottage. These are 6x6 single-sided sheets. There are quite a variety of types of patterns and colors, so you have something to mix and match together, whether it be the plaids, the florals, the black backgrounds, even some wood grains. There are 12 designs in all, and again, those are single-sided, and there is a really nice sheen to these papers. You will also receive one full-size ink pad of the Simon Says Stamp Intense Black. You can use that for all your coloring. And we have a set of Puffy stickers. These are Christmas Market from Carta. There are a lot of fun classic Christmas items that you can put together, especially to make some tags. We've also included the Tim Holtz Idea-ology sticker book, and this is the Christmas Noel. There are actually 335 stickers in this pack, and you have a lot of words and imagery that you can put together to mix and match. And I love some of these. They remind me of old-time Christmas tags from years ago. This kit also contains the My Mind's Eye Yuletide mixed bag, and this is a bag full of ephemera. There are words and snowflakes and Santas and deer and really nice banners that you can mix and match together. Some of them have this really beautiful silver embellished edging, and there are a total of 63 pieces for you to work with in here. There's also a little bundle of red and white baker's twine and 4 little jingle bells that you can add to your cards. We also have some crepe paper snowflake thickers, and these are amazing with the black letters and the white snowflakes. These letter stickers are great because they do have multiples of your vowels and your consonants, especially ones that you might use more often. We've also included a couple bottles of stickles. We have green festive and red joyful, and those have a bit of a gold flake to them, and they're really gorgeous. Also, you'll get a bottle of multi-matte medium that is a great glue and adhesive, and that will go along really well with your jar of Wow Cloud9 glitter. Also in this kit are pre-scored note cards. You get 3 in total, and those are side folding or horizontal top folding. You also will get 3 envelopes. This first is metallic khaki, also metallic schoolhouse red, and then finally you get a bright white. And when you open those, they have that label, so it is a no lick 'em to stick 'em. And additionally, you will get a Simon Says Stamp 8x8 inch envelope for those special projects. And finally, cardstocks in Desert Storm, Simon's 120-pound white, cornflower, and green apple. And up next, I have a few inspiration pieces to get you started making your cards and projects. I'll start you off with a clean and simple card from Cindy Norberg where she used that pine cone and greens and then stamped her message just below. Neenah's card was created using those Tim Holtz stickers along with the mistletoe colored in bright colors. I created a card using a lot of the ephemera, and I've silver embossed the mistletoe to create a subtle background. And finally, another card from Cindy Norberg where she has stamped, colored, and cut out her mistletoe and put that just above her white embossed message. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough and inspiration of our limited edition kit, The Magic of Christmas. Be sure to check out our blog post for additional inspiration and also our galleries. And as always, thanks so much for watching.